Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use leverage on Coinbase. Leverage lets you borrow funds to trade a larger position than your own investment. For example, 2x leverage $100 gives you control of $200 worth of crypto. While this can increase your profits, it also increases your losses. If the market moves too far against your trade, your position could be liquidated. So always trade carefully. To use leverage on Coinbase, make sure your account is eligible for leveraged trading. Then open the trading section, choose a cryptocurrency, select your leverage level, and enter your investment amount. Review the fees and confirm your order. Once your trade is open, monitor it closely. Use stop loss and take profit order to help manage risk, and remember that holding leverage positions may include funding fees.